Ho, and welcome to a video here from Nordic Anglers. In this video I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I would wish were under the Christmas tree for me personal. I'm going to show you a few different things that I really would like to be gifted for Christmas. The past couple of years we've done a complete calendar with a video every day. We're not going to do that this year. We're going to do a few videos along the way, all the way up to Christmas. But for now, I'm just going to show you some of the stuff that I would really hope would be my Christmas presents. The first thing I want to show you is this one. This is a Renetti Carryall bag. It's made from really durable Condura nylon. And basically in here you have the option to carry your fly tying vise and all your tools with you anywhere. Basically you have a compartment here that is suited for the foot of the vise or the C-clamp. You have a really nice compartment here that fits all your tools, your scissors and your bobbins and stuff. And then and all of this is very well protected inside here. And then finally you can add your vise to the pocket up here. Basically all you need to get all your fly tying tools and vise ready to go on the move, and this is just really well made. It's the best of quality, it's strong and it's durable, and it just makes traveling with your fly tying equipment really easy. So the Renetti gear bag here is an awesome choice for the fly fisherman or the fly tyer who's on the move. That's the first thing I want to show you. The next thing I want to show you is this. This is the Schmain dubbing twister. This is basically very innovative, and it's really cool. It's perfectly balanced, and it's now available in the red size as well, so it really has the Christmas color as well. It has the option to actually open your dubbing loop very easily with your fingers, which makes this very ideal for working with dubbing loops. And as I said, it's absolutely perfectly balanced. It's a really cool item. I have one of these already, but it's something that if I did not have it, I would wish it to be under my Christmas tree. Next up is something that you can never have too many of. That is, of course, the CF Design fly cases. CF Design has launched this year the new way of making their fly boxes, which is basically all their boxes are without the inserts, and then you can buy individual and different inserts to have really a good control over exactly what flies you're going to bring to the water. They also make a really big case that fits either 12 or 16 of these that you can use as kind of a stowaway for all your flies. This system is awesome, it works very well, and you can always find room for another fly box. And if you buy a new fly box, then of course that's pretty cool as well, because then you get to fill that fly box. So the CF Design fly boxes, one of the best-selling items during the Christmas time as well, and these are just excellent and awesome. And well, I have quite a few, but I can always use one more. The next thing is feathers. Basically, I can never get enough feathers. I really enjoy and like tying flies, and with the big selection and all the different things we have from whiting and other brands of feathers, I think that it's a really nice gift to get something that you have for many years and can use really well. One thing in particular I would like to point out is all the whiting products has just had their retail price lowered due to new distribution and something with the dollar, I think, as well, and which basically means that the whiting products are now even more affordable, or more affordable than what they used to be, and the price change is quite big. So, for instance, these American hackles here has dropped more than 20% in price, and the American rooster here are, I think, the best roosters out there of any brand. We have loads of different colors. They're so nice to work with. The stem is so thin and stuff. So, of course, if you're in the market for cool wet fly and streamer and salmon capes, then the whiting American rooster is a good bet for exactly the types of feathers that you need. And you know, we try to stock as much whiting as possible. So we have quite a few, and we don't have everything. And as always with whiting, you don't know when you get the next batch. So if you see something you like, you should go get it, because before you know it, it's gonna be gone. The last thing on my Christmas present list is also the most expensive one, and that is the all-new awesome Air 2 Max from Winston. This is a rod that I have been looking very much forward to trying. Now I have tried it. I fished it quite a bit. This is the store's demo 9 feet 7 weight, and this is without a doubt one of the coolest and best rods for saltwater fishing and for casting big flies or windy conditions that I have ever tried. It's really, really light. It's quite fast. It has been made with all the best materials. As always with Winston, you can just see the level of craftsmanship is is completely unique. They make the most beautiful rods out there. They're always green and red, and I kind of like them for that. They chose a theme and they stuck to it. The guides and the cork quality here is excellent, and from absolutely the pinnacle. With all that said, then this is also one of the greatest casting rods I have ever held. It's really fast. It gives you some awesome line control, and it's possible to have some insanely narrow loops when casting. And normally, you know, I try rods and then I say, okay, can I cast the full line with this one? With this one, I cast even into the backing. So this is probably on top of my wish list. I don't know if I'm gonna get all the ones that I want, because I want this in a 6 weight, I want this in a 7 weight, and I want this in a 9 weight for a pike. This is a rod to be reckoned with, and this is a rod you're gonna hear and see a lot more too, because at the moment I think this is the strongest bet for an all-purpose saltwater rod, a rod with for casting bigger flies. This is in all respects just pure awesomeness. I really like this rod. So basically, that's it for my wish list. I wish all of you out there the best of luck out on the water, and of course, Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching.